bad. I completely forgot what team number I was.
How could you forget Team 8? Yeah. Hola.
Hola. Like when you come to other places, you feel like you don't really feel like you know what I mean? So I'm trying to like take it in and be like, I find it like so hard. Sometimes I just like to soak it all up.
And
but then you
try
go
to
back
record.
and everyone's like, how was it? Where are the photos? It was great, but I don't.
I forgot.
Yeah.
The cutways.
Do we know what we do when we get there? Find out.
Yeah, you find out. Question.
One hour lunch.
I hope they pick a good spot. I'm gonna either die or just get us lost in the process. He just tried to that was really funny. He tried to scratch the dog on his butt. Yeah, but the dog was peeing. Hide your tongue. Well, they probably won't pay attention, but it's actually not a mixture of Puerto Rico and Barcelona. She said, damn. He made a good point because I was taking pictures of like some man's laundry up there and he's like, please, people actually live there.
A lot of people these might be worth their point. I think a lot of teams are doing these where we've done the smaller ones and now we're doing that.
Yeah, it's that way. But what's the question?
I haven't hit the question, but
Oh fuck, it really might rain.
I think we're supposed to make it through this before it takes far. Are you feeling any better?
I am a lot better. Yeah, I feel like we could have finished way more if they would pick up the speed just a little bit.
I didn't want to say it out loud, but you live in New York, so I know you have to walk fast.
Yes.
Like, I do not want to get this fucking pace. I walk too much faster pace, and this is killing.
I want to visit Chicago. I haven't been, but
You haven't been at all?
mm-mm.
It's great. I'm biased. I've been there a lot of years, so.
I've seen so many rap videos though. I don't want to go for the nice parts of Chicago. There's O Block. Have you heard of?
Perfectly honest, Chicago's segregated, so like most of Chicago is white Chicago, you know?
Scavenger hunt is driving me crazy. I love how they have regular trees and freaking palm trees. You too.
Just look at the blue sky.
Oh yes, please share that with me because my phone sucks. Not them trying to fight the police. I'm crying.
Maybe I should have bought an umbrella from
There might be a few over here. I'm gonna
Yeah.
He's slipping and sliding. That is so cute.
Was that with him? Like anybody
Sorry.
Oh yeah, the frog.
That is so cool.
Watch your step.
It looks like the entrance is probably Oh shit! My turn. Oh my god. Sorry.
E poi ci fermiamo a
That's it. I'm moving to Spain.
It's like a cave.
Yeah.
No, this is the artist house.
This is the artist's house.
Oh, got it.
Oh, look at the view from this corner.
Sí, claro, te pagué también. Vale. Adiós. Hay otras escaleras. Pasas por debajo de lo que es la plaza.
I fucking love it here.
Pardon?
Oh my god, the bathroom is so nice too. This is so fucking nice. We just get it from my YouTube. I'm falling in love. Romario said he wants to join and we left.
What time is it supposed to come down?
Okay. Llévame contigo because I love it here. Ah, gracias.
Well, this is the park, so no.
Bienvenidos. Misu, misu. Oh my god, I love the pattern on the stairs.
And then walk down, right?
Yeah, walk straight down the stairs. I could just die here.
And then to the right, right?
No, just straight down.
Oh, this is cute. Gotta take a picture of this.
Look at the UK team back there.
Oh.
Nah, this is so fucking amazing. Let's go to the beach.
That's a long walk to the beach, I think.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm enjoying this.
So now I didn't bring my Apple Watch, so I can't see me.
So. Oh, it's over there.
This is a walk.
It's goddamn hot. Is that our hotel? Is that the hotel everyone else is at?
No.
Estela?
No. They're staying at the dog stay.
This shit looks unfucking real. This is not. But right here, look. Smile! We found a Güell.
This whole trip for maybe. This is fun. 5 stars. Where are you guys from?
From New York.
Once I get service.
That is so fucking creepy. This is so cute. Wash your stuff there.
Jenny from the block. First she had a little, now she's got a lot. How does that record? Voice. Oops. Apologies, future Connie. I ruined your video.
It's okay. I usually play music over anyways.
Okay, is that left? Yep.
Oh, there are tables inside.
Yeah, this way. Oh, they're over there? Oh, up here. We can somewhere right here. Sorry, we asked somebody. They're like, that's it.
Oh, so what's that sign for?
I don't know. Maybe for later. I don't know.
It's craziest fucking life right now. Like, what the hell? Is there a shower? There is a shower, was a shower. There's not anymore because I don't see a hose.